different uses of talcum powder. Talcum powder is very handy and everyone has this in your shelf as well as everyone has this in your house. So today let's see what are the different 4 uses of talcum powder. The first and the foremost use of talcum powder is that you can use it as a primer. What a big surprise that even I really love this to use as a primer, because sometimes we just forget to purchase our primer. So once what happened was I just really forgot to purchase my primer and I used this as a primer and it worked miracles for me. So the first step is I'm going to take this and take a little bit of talcum powder and use this as my primer. So all over my face, like a little bit everywhere. And then after this, I have got a very smooth surface so that my foundation can last longer. So I'm going to take my foundation. I'm using this Kryolan foundation. So I'm going to take this and apply my foundation on my face. This type of primer is only for the people who have oily skin, because when you have dry skin and when you apply this talcum powder on, then what happens is your skin will get more dry, or else you have to use an oil-based foundation. So now my foundation is going on my face. You will not believe this, guys. It's very easy to blend actually. So my foundation is all done, and the next thing is I'm going to use this also as a concealer. So how can I make a concealer with the talcum powder? So I'm going to take a Fit Me foundation for this, and I'm going to take my talcum foundation here a little bit. Ouch! Yeah, little bit of foundation, and after this I'm going to use my talcum powder or my foundation. Oh, it is spilling all over. Okay, a little bit. Oh, come on, please. Yes. So now I am going to mix this with my foundation. The consistency should be like not very creamy consistency. You have to mix this until this is like a paste kind of thing. So I'm going to add a little more of my talcum powder, and then it's getting a mess, but it's okay. It's worth it. Yeah, now as you can see, it is not a creamy based one. It is now a paste kind of thing. A very thick paste is in my hand now. Not a creamy one, a very thick paste. So now I'm going to use this as a concealer for my dark circles. So, and I'm going to also use this on my eyelids. This will make my eyeliner as well as my eyeshadow to last longer. How nice is that? Always for blending concealer, what I use is I always use my fingers. So I just press them inside first nicely so that it lasts longer. This side also I'm going to do the same. The finish is really awesome. My eyes are like glowing and my under eye circles are totally covered. I really love the end result of my talcum powder. And the third important use of using a talcum powder. Many of us do not have eyelashes more thick, and we always go for artificial eyelashes and all. But do you want to actually achieve it without going for any artificial eyelashes? Then you have to use your talcum powder, and that's for sure. So now I'm going to take my talcum powder and close my eyes, and then just on my lashes. Okay? And then open my eyes, and again on my lashes. Be careful. Close your eyes and do. And then that's it. Now I'm gonna take my mascara and then work it on my eyelashes. My eyelashes are just stunning, guys. So it's like, more thicker and more curved. I really love this finish actually when I use this with the talcum powder. Last but not the least, we always want our makeup to last longer. So after applying foundation and instead of using a setting spray, what I do at times is I use my talcum powder. Seriously guys, I've used it so many times. Before buying a proper setting powder, I will only use my talcum powder in order to set my foundation. So I'm going to use that today as well. I'm going to take this and go all over my face. These are the four different main things I use my talcum powder for, and I am seriously obsessed with this. When I use my talcum powder as my foundation, as my concealer or as my primer, as well as finishing instead of setting spray, when I'm using this, it makes my foundation feel more lighter, and it doesn't feel like I'm carrying a lot of makeup on my face. It just makes my face feel really light and very glowy. So I really love this with it. And I hope you guys also try all the tips what I have shared you with your talcum powder, because it's really handy in your house. See you in my next video. Until then, this is SD signing out. Bye bye.